Heat pumps. What kind of maintenance do heat pumps need in Valparaiso? Maintaining a heat pump is really no different than maintaining a traditional HVAC system. As with any heating and cooling system, proper maintenance helps you on energy costs and experience more consistent indoor temperatures. Without maintenance, coils and filters can become dirty, which increase stress on the system, decreases efficiency, and raises your energy costs. The good news is an annual service agreement will keep your heat pump running for an average of 15 years or more. Ask about our service plans for extended confidence. To learn more about heat pumps, contact Wheele HVAC, Valparaiso's Bryant dealer. Wheele, keeping Valparaiso safe and comfortable since 1946.